Hey everyone, it's Philip with iRobot, and we're back again with another unboxing video. This time we're going to do the Roomba i3. We're going to see why it's such an awesome robot, and why it'd be a great fit in your home. Alright, enough talking, let's dive right into this guy. So right when we open up the box, we got the Roomba itself. We're going to take a closer look at it though, okay? Okay, now that we're getting this Roomba out of the box, I'm getting a really good close-up view of this. The first thing I'm noticing is honestly the look and feel of it. It's got this really cool woven pattern that has a textured finish. It is totally unique and different than any other Roomba that's out there. I really like this design and look of it, and I wanted to share it with you guys first and foremost. Now, the clean button. By simply tapping this, you can start, you can stop, you can pause your Roomba. There is absolutely no programming required here. As we flip the Roomba over, the first thing you're going to notice are these clear sensors that go around the edge of it. These are cliff detect sensors. Know that your Roomba's not going to be falling down any stairs with these guys on. And with an anti-wedging bumper with reactive sensor technology, it's going to tell the Roomba where it can and cannot reach, which means less getting stuck on furniture and more knowing where to go in your home, like underneath the dining room table and chairs and in between those legs. Yeah, that's awesome. And with a specially designed edge sweeping brush, this is going to knock dirt and debris that's originally out of the reach of the robot and from corners and edges down into the Roomba's path. And with dual multi-surface rubber brushes, these are great at picking up both large and small debris items like dirt, dust, and especially pet hair. Oh, and did I mention these are tangle-free, so that long hair and pesky pet hair won't be tangling up around these guys. Okay, we're back. Got to see what was under the hood of the Roomba i3, but we still got to figure out what's left in the box. Only one way to find out, right? First up, just a clear cover. Just put that off to the side for now. Next, we have one extra high efficiency filter. This is going to trap in 99% of cat and dog allergens. Up next, we've got the charge base for the Roomba itself. This is what the Roomba is going to dock itself on to make sure its batteries charge all day long until you're ready to use it. We also got the power cord to the charge base itself. Last but not least, the packlet to the Roomba i3. This is going to contain information on how to set up and register your robot. Okay, we're back. This is everything that comes in the box for the Roomba i3. We've seen why it's such a great robot and why it'd be a great fit in your home. But if you need any more information on it, please check out the other videos we have on it as well. Thank you for watching, everyone.